Hi guys, how to put text on image? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. Let's go inside the body, then add a div. This will be our parent div. So class name, suppose parent div. Inside the image and the text less than image source equal double quotation image directory. Suppose inside the images folder and the image name pic03.jpg, then alt equal double quotation image here, close the image tag, then add another div with the text, give it a class name, class equal to double quotation, suppose text div, save, reload. So we have our image and the text. Now go inside the style section, call for the parent class dot parent div, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, position, clone, relative, then the width is totally up to you. We want to cover the full width, so 100%. Then again call for the parent class parent div. Inside the parent class we have our image, call for the image, opening brace, closing brace, give the image same width as the parent, so 100%. Display block. Without this we will have some error at the bottom of the image like some extra space. Now save, reload. Lastly call for the text class dot text div, position absolute, then we will center our text, top clone 50%, left clone 50%, transform clone, translate, opening parenthesis minus 50%, comma minus 50%, close the bracket, semicolon, then text align, center, the text color suppose white, font size suppose 120 pixel, font weight bold. Lastly let's add some shadow, text shadow, horizontal displacement, vertical displacement, blur radius and the color. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.